Hi everyone, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max settings are here to enhance your experience. 1. Camera control. The new capacitive camera button allows you to access settings quickly. Press to open the camera, double press to bring up options like exposure and zoom. Adjust these in settings greater than camera control. 2. Photographic styles. Customize your photo styles. Go to Settings, greater than camera, greater than photographic styles. Choose a tone that suits your taste and save it as default. 3. Battery settings. Check out the new charging limit under Settings. Greater than battery, greater than charging. Adjust to maintain battery health or maximize usage. 4. Protect your device. Consider a case from Taurus for functionality and drop protection. 5. Boot up sounds. You can enable or disable the boot up sound in settings greater than accessibility, greater than audio and visual, greater than power, on-off sounds. 6. Video settings. In settings, greater than camera, greater than record video, switch to 4K 120 FPS for high-quality slow motion. Remember, it uses more storage. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.